how to swap ETH or Ethereum to SOL, Solana on Phantom wallet. So to do this procedure, you have to go to login into your Phantom wallet account. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. So from the home page, what next you have to do is, you just have to simply, when you're logged in, right at the bottom, so when you're logged in, press the swap icon from the top, and right on this page you need to go and locate the items. So you are trying to swap ETH to Solana, so type in ETH, and when you actually locate ETH, then you need to go ahead and select your receiving asset, that is Solana. Enter the exact amount, and then you need to just follow the prompt. You need to follow the prompt, and with that you'll have successfully swapped ETH to Solana on Phantom wallet. So with that, you'll have completed the steps. That's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.